Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing things a little differently. This is usually my perfume tray video where I switch out the fragrances in my perfume tray for a new month. But things got a little crazy, Thanksgiving got in the way, and I never got to do my second update for the month. So I'm going to do a quick update with the fragrances that you see here because these were the ones that I believe I did not get to update in the previous Perfume Diaries video, and then we will quickly clean it up and get our tray ready for December. So if you would like to know the fragrances that I'm going to be wearing for the month of December, plus a quick update on last month's perfumes, just keep on watching. So really quickly, I'm going to give you a quick update. Valentino, this is Donna Aqua, I believe is the name. This is my all-time favorite perfume from the Valentino house. This has been discontinued. It's hard to find, and when you do find it, they do charge an arm and a leg for these bottles, but this fragrance right here is beautiful. It has pear, it has almond, it's a little juicy, it's a little refreshing, it's sweet, it smells candied, it smells almondy and nutty and creamy and smooth, and there's just so many things that I can say about this. And every once in a while I like to add it to trays, but I don't like to talk too much about it because I know that it's one that's not easy for you guys to get your hands on, but this is one of my all-time favorite perfumes. Up next, we have Jimmy Choo Illicit. I'm actually going to be recycling this one and putting it right back on the tray because I did not wear this one, and I want to finish this bottle up because I do love this perfume. This is just a very spicy ginger, fresh, spicy scent along with honey. There is sweetness in it, there's caramel as well, so it's just like a ride of many different notes, and it's one that I love this time of the year. Call Me By Your Name from JULIANNA'S perfume. This is a gorgeous take on a gourmand scent, but you want it to be still sexy. You still want it to smell like a perfume. You don't want to smell edible, but you do like those sweet touches of gourmand perfumes. This is one to look into, and I do love wearing it this time of the year. Up next, we have Si Passione Eclat, and this fragrance right here was actually the perfume that I reached for Thanksgiving. I had no plans on wearing this. I wanted to wear something that was a little more gourmand, a little bit more spicy, but I woke up Thursday morning and I just went straight to the kitchen. I did not cook or host for anyone. It was just our family, but still, being in the kitchen is just so tiring. I started off in the morning with dessert, and then once I was done with that, then I spent the entire day making mac and cheese and sweet potato casserole and a ham and cornbread, and it was a lot of food. So by the time that I took a shower and I came into this room, this was the first thing that I reached for because I didn't want anything that smelled like food. I had been cooking all day. I just wanted something that was a little bit more sexy, more perfume-like, make me feel clean, and like I took a shower and felt refreshed. So this was my scent of the day for Thanksgiving. And actually, this perfume never lets me down. It lasts forever on me, and it's very feminine, kind of like shampoo vibes, very girly, fruity, floral, woody type of perfume. Up next, we have Ellis Brooklyn's Queen's Caramel, and I have really been enjoying this one. We have a teeny little baby dent that just got started, and this is one that I have been enjoying, but I won't say that it's one that I love as a favorite or that I can't see myself without this one. This one's just one that is beautiful for fall and winter, but I feel like maybe it's just where I'm living right now that might not be doing it justice. But this is beautiful if you're looking for a spicy, warm, sweet gourmand with caramel and just a very fall appropriate perfume. This is like fall in a bottle in my opinion. So I have been enjoying it, but it has not been one that I will consider an all-time favorite. It's one that I like a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna be completely honest. These two right here, I kind of like played around with them and I was kind of sniffing them, comparing them because they kind of remind me of each other. These are kind of like woody vanillas with some gourmand hints to them, but I feel like I did not use them enough. But I just feel like these types of perfumes, even though these are my all-time favorite perfumes to wear this time of the year, I just haven't been reaching for my usual stuff this year. My sense of smell is all over the place and I'm still trying to figure it out. So you will see that this month month, I have some new perfumes I'm going to be trying out and just trying to see what I am feeling. So these two, I'm just going to put right back into my collection. I know I love them, but I just wasn't like super crazy about these. But these are just woody vanillas, a little gourmand. I believe this one might have chocolate notes. This one has suede. They're beautiful and gorgeous for fall and for winter. And last but not least, we have Fleur's Vanilla Skin. I got rid of my Vanilla Skin perfume and I want to start working on this one even though I did not wear it as much as I should. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right back on the perfume tray. So I'm going to go ahead and give this area a little wipe down and then we can go ahead and start adding some fragrances for December. All right, so I am ready to start adding December's perfumes and I have some fragrances that I'm very excited to wear. I have some new fragrances that I want to try out. There are some fragrances that I used to have that I brought back. I haven't even shown some of these, so this tray is just going to be super fun and it will give you a sneak peek at what is coming up for the month of December as far as content goes. Let's begin with December's perfume tray. I am going to start off by adding Givenchy's Hot Couture because I feel like this is the perfect time of the year to wear this perfume. And I think this is exactly what I need right now because these are the types of perfumes that I feel work here in Arizona this time of the year. It is pretty cold now, but still, I can't use the same ones that I used to use back in Florida or Puerto Rico or Kentucky. Even though Kentucky did get cold, still it's feeling different. So I am experimenting and seeing what I'm liking. So I'm going to add this one because this is a smoky scent, but it still has like berries in it. It still has like a fruity juiciness in there. So very excited to wear this for December. Next up, I'm going to be adding Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow. This perfume became a favorite of mine along with Vanilla 28. The longer they have sat in my collection, it's like they are magical, 10 times better than when I first got them. So this one just smells so beautiful. It even has a little bit of a smoky touch to it. Up next, I'm going to add a fragrance mist, but this bottle does not give me fragrance mist vibes. This gives me just luxurious perfume vibes, but this is Salt and Stone and this is bergamot and hinoki. This was sent to me by Salt and Stone and I am obsessed with this, so I am just so ready to start using this and to create layering combos with this and just super excited. Up next, I'm going to add a fragrance that I for some reason always kind of save for December, and this is kind of like my movie night with my family type of perfume. It makes me think of just an almond cookie with a little bit of spice to it, but just the perfect amount of spice. It's never too much, and this is Prada. This is Infusion Diamond. And I'm so excited to be wearing this month. This is the perfect almondy perfume. I even feel like it smells like vanilla extract, and just when you're making desserts in the kitchen, so yummy and so perfect for like a cozy movie night. Let's add some new perfumes. If you are a viewer of my channel and you keep up with all of the videos, you have not seen some of these fragrances that I'm talking about. I have not even shown it in a haul. I have been buying perfumes like a maniac to test out, to report back to you guys, giving you some fresh content and also just trying to see what's working for me right now and what doesn't. So I have been doing a lot of blind buying and I never encourage that or, you know, want to push that on anyone. It's just what I do sometimes as a content creator, but it's just so that I can see where I'm at perfume wise. So right now I am going to be adding this new one, which the bottle is absolutely gorgeous, and all of the perfume sales recently just haven't been helping. I got so many perfumes for amazing prices. I have La Vie Belle. I think this one's called Vanille Nude or Vanille Nude. Look at this perfume bottle. This is so gorgeous. So this is supposed to be La Vie Belle, a flanker, but I'm guessing the focus is more on vanilla, which that always works for me and makes me quite happy and positive about this one. So we're going to be seeing how this one works for me this month. And right next to that one, I am going to put one that I have been so excited to wear, and this is my Wicked for Good. This is my Glinda. I forgot what this one's called, but this was the Glinda Belinda perfume. So very excited to wear this very feminine, bubbly, beautiful, sweet scent. Up next, we have another new release. This was sent to me by Fleur, and this is Afterglow. I know I had some of you ask me if I was going to be reviewing this one or sharing my thoughts, so here she is. And I will say, first impression, it does get at least a like from me. I do need to smell it some more and see how I feel about it, but it's not an automatic no. There is nothing off-putting about this one. It's actually really beautiful, and the more I try it, the more I'm liking it. So we're gonna talk about this one this month as well. Okay, up next is two fragrances. One is kind of like coming back into my collection after years of just trying to make it work. It was kind of like an obsession that I had. Every time I would go into Sephora, I would go smell this perfume back in like 2016-ish. And when I finally got my hands on it, my taste, I guess, had changed. And now I'm trying to circle back, and I'm trying to see if maybe now we can be a thing. So this is Giorgio Armani C, the actual C before any flankers came out, which if you remember, I feel like none of these bottles is the actual C that I'm talking about when it was first released. I feel like it's been reformulated and they don't smell the same. But I just want to give this a try, so I did blind buy this and just added back to my collection. And I am doing the same with this next one. I've never had the actual full size of this one, but I have had samples. I've tried it and I've always liked it, so I figured, how come I've never had a full size of this one? And this one is by Valentino. I think this one's called Voce Viva or Voce Viva, something like that. Very beautiful and chic bottle. So I'm very excited to try these two for December. Up next, I'm going to be adding the 7 Virtues Amber Vanilla. This is one that I love so much and just haven't been picking it up a lot recently. So I want to make sure that I still feel the same about this one. It is a skin scent. It is a little sugary, a little sweet, but just smells very natural and so inviting. I'm going to go ahead and just put the Jimmy Choo Illicit back on here since I do want to give that some love. I'm also going to be putting Vanilla Skin back here, which was already on the tray, but I want to give it more use because I did not pick this one up as much. I'm going to add these two from Dead Cool, and this is from the set that I picked up during the Sephora savings event. So I have Milk, which I have not had the original Milk. I'm going to put these right here. And we're also going to add Extra Milk. I'm also going to be adding a Merit's Retrospect as well. Vanilla 28, just because I can literally add this to any of these perfumes and just create a bomb layering combo. So we need to have Vanilla 28 in the tray. I'm also going to be adding this Jennifer Lopez JLo Glow. I used to use this when I was in high school and I bought it recently, but I have not actually tested it out or seen if it works for me now. So very curious about this one too. I'm also going to add this Juliana's perfume. This is Kissed by Paradise once more. I want to test this one out some more. This one is inspired by Angel Share. It's like a flanker. I think it's something Paradise. This one's a dupe for that one or inspired by that one, and I'm really liking it from the times that I've tried it out. So I want to try this out this month. I'm also going to add this Valentino Donna Born in Aroma Pink. This was a limited edition and I love this every year. It gets sweeter and just very flirty and sugary and beautiful, classy, sophisticated. Love this. And last but not least, because we do have a lot going on this month, I'm going to be adding this Choco Musk. This is like a very chocolatey perfume, and I want to see if this is something I want to keep in my collection or if I'm going to just declutter this. And there is our perfume tray for December. I do need to do some organizing of fragrance mist. So I think I'm going to do that on my vlog though, that I'm going to put up for you guys very soon. So if you would like to see what I am going to add to my perfume mist, which is right underneath these fragrances, as you can see right down there, just go ahead and check out my next At Home with Amy. I think I'm going to end the vlog just showing you guys which fragrance mist I'm going to be wearing for December. So this is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for spending time with me. And remember, the fragrances that you see that I have not shown are going to be in a haul where I'm going to show you new fragrances because I have way more perfumes. I think I have like 10 new fragrances right now that are going to be joining my collection. So I'm very excited and I'm very inspired and motivated to create new scent combos and just smell good. I hope that you guys have a beautiful month of December, and I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.